Want to check if anyone has screenshotted your Snapchat story, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to check who has screenshotted your story posts on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To check who has screenshotted your story on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap Your Story to open it. Then swipe up to see who has viewed your story and if any of the viewers have screenshotted it. If someone screenshotted your story, you'll see a screenshot icon beside their name in the viewers list. You can tap each story slide in the menu above to check each of your story posts. Snapchat should send you a notification whenever someone screenshots your story. That's all it takes to check who has screenshotted your Snapchat story posts. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.